Mila, say hi.
Okay, I'll go make food.
Say hi.
Hi. Oh, I just got robbed by a door.
And today we're playing Bloxburg.
Dad, I'm a vegan.
I'm a vegan.
Oh, okay, then I guess that's me. Or does the door open and close?
I don't really care. I have to go to work soon, guys, so. Yeah, what time is it? Oh, it's 10 p.m. I go to work at 10 p.m. now, guys. Okay. I have to go here. Okay, I need fun, so I'm gonna watch TV. Or does reading a book give you fun? It better be fun. Reading a book is really fun. I love reading books. Reading books is amazing. I'm reading The Green Book. Dun dun, dun dun. It also gives you intelligence, so it's pretty good.
Are you eating breakfast?
Yeah.
Or are you...
I'm going to have I need like a snack to, like,
I'll
something.
make you some breakfast food, is that okay?
Okay, yeah, when I come home, I'll eat it. Okay, I need to watch the TV so that I can get this done faster. Turn on, watch. Change channel because I can't deal with the channel. Change the channel again. Look at the channel on the TV.
I'm sorry. We're sorry. Most of our videos are Bloxburg because Bloxburg is like the best game ever.
Yes. And some of our videos are really bad quality. One reason is my fan's on. But to be honest, Roblox is like we get the best quality when we play Roblox, so that's why we play it the most. The only game we really like on Roblox that we can agree on is Bloxburg.
Can you still hear me?
Yeah.
My shirt is covering it, my blanket also.
So she's making breakfast food, and she has some salad over there. I really like the salad. The salad's good. Okay, I'm going to work. I need to change my clothes I'm gonna make a work outfit after. Yeah, I need to get some more stuff so that I can make a work outfit. Well, technically, I don't need a work outfit because.
I'll make a workout room.
Or I'm I would just get another everyday wear outfit or PJs. That's what I would do. I already have two things of PJs though.
I don't know how to get rid of this, but I don't think you can.
What? What?
Yeah, shopping really quick.
What?
I want to go shopping.
Okay, can you wait a second then? Okay, I need to.
Like the car over here so I can use it?
What?
Can you bring your car over here and before you go to work, can you just drop me off to work?
Yeah, okay. What should I make for another outfit? Because I already have a lot of outfits. What kind of outfits do you need? Like, you have PJs, normal day outfits. I'm just gonna make a formal outfit. Just for, I don't know why. I should make a workout outfit. So, clothing. I need a formal, and I'm just gonna look up. Okay, like that. Okay, I'm gonna look up dress. Okay. And see if there's any dresses that look good on me. Not a lot of dresses look good on me. Okay, how do I take off my shoes? Oh, I really want to see how these look. Okay. And then I need to... Okay, I can do that. And then take it off. And then, boom, it looks cute. Okay, I'm going back to just new.
What hair should I get?
What?
What hair should I get?
I don't know. I'm looking for a dress right now. I like the cloud one a lot, but I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna... Why is this really nice, and why do I really want to buy it? Okay, I'm just gonna get this one. Okay, now that I've got my new outfit, guys, I'm going to go to work, so I need to change my clothes. To my everyday wear. Okay, this is okay. I have a lot of outfits, by the way, guys, so you're gonna see me in a lot of different outfits. Okay, I need to go grab my car so that I can pick you up and bring you to the store. She's going to the store. Are you getting another casual outfit or are you getting PJs?
I don't know yet.
Okay, I just have to grab my car. And we're planning on getting her car. So that's something we want to do in either this video or the next video or before the next video. We don't know. Okay, I'm gonna park the car outside. So, yep. Boy, that went really wrong. Okay. There we go. Okay, I'm coming inside. We're living at her house right now just because it's a lot nicer than mine. And I have to redo my house. You ready yet?
Hold on, I'm doing my,
Your pajamas? You're making pajamas? Did you make pajamas?
let me get the mustache one.
Oh my gosh, I have those.
Now I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna put, weird.
Can I see? Wait. Can I see? Oh, I actually like that. Can I see your PJs?
These are my PJs.
What?
This is my casual.
Yeah, can I see your PJs? I like your casual. It's really nice. Change into your PJs. I want to see them. We're doing a fashion show, everyone. She's coming out. Whoa, you were naked. You were naked for a second. Okay, that's cute. They're cute. Okay, let's go. Come on, we need to go.
I can throw my pajamas, but it's not.
Let's not do that. Oh, whatever. You know, it doesn't really matter.
It does.
Well, I mean, it is 3 a.m., so it doesn't really. There's not going to be a lot of people at the store. Okay, I'm driving, by the way, because I have to drive to work.
But when you're home, can I go?
I don't care. Okay, get in. We need to get going. Damn, I went the wrong way. Yeah. Okay, one second. I have to bring the phone up so that people can actually hear you.
I go to work when you're not at work.
Okay, we'll do that. Oh, I just ran over someone. If you didn't see that. Yeah, I know. That's like the weird people that they have to bring pizza to. Okay. Are you going to the grocery store?
Yeah, I'm going to the store.
Okay. For me, can you get me chips and Gatorade? That's all I want.
Can you pay me a little bit?
Yeah, I'll get. I have 11,000. I get a lot of money from work.
I need a lot of money for shopping.
Okay, don't buy too much. Like, we'll go grocery shopping every week. Like, don't buy too much. If we want to make this kind of real, you can't spend like $1,000. So I'll give you like $200 to spend. Okay, now get out of the car. Actually, wait, don't get out of the car yet. Because I have to donate you the money and you're not close enough to me when you're not in the car. Okay. So I'll give you like $220. Is that good for groceries?
Yeah.
Okay. Because like, if we're trying to make this realistic, you wouldn't spend more than $220 on groceries. If you spent that much at all.
I've never spent that much money in my life. Okay, thank you. I'll see you later.
Okay, yeah, bye. I'll pick you up at whatever time you need to be picked up.
Bye, Zoe.
Bye. Hey, I literally live like super close to you. Or, I don't live super close to you. Never mind, that's not what I meant. I meant my work is really close to you.
You're Zoe and I'm Stacey.
You're doing your what?
I'm Zoe. You're Zoe and I'm Stacey.
I'm like, wait, what?
Oh,
Okay. Ah.
I buy 3 bags of potato chips.
Yay, I love chips. Buying
How many
chips. Okay, now I guess I love my hair.
4 Gatorades for you.
Yeah, Gatorade.
No,
It's funny how we're gonna be sharing the chips, and you got less Gatorade because you know I drink more for myself than we would drink together. Because I love food. You don't even want to know, guys, how much food and water, or how much food I had to eat in the last episode that we deleted. We had to delete it because half of it was like just trying to get the game set up so that you could play it. So yeah. Because her friends hacked her account and didn't give it back. Because her old account was Emily Mississippi 21, and she had bloxburg, and she had a lot of money, and it would have been easier if you had this money still. So, yeah. On my other account, Brooklyn, I have like $20,000 that I'm never gonna use. It's just
I need to come home.
What?
I have to go to work soon.
Okay, I'll come get you.
I'm walking towards,
Okay, go put the groceries in the car.
Okay, look at that.
Yum, my food! Why did you get energy drinks? That's for you. I don't like energy drinks. They're gross.
I got a couple of everything. I still have 617.
Did you get a watermelon? We need a watermelon.
I'll be right back.
Go get watermelon, dude.
Thanks.
You should just go back tomorrow or just get them later. We don't really need it right now.
Forgot a watermelon and I eat watermelon because I'm vegetarian.
Yeah, we're vegetarian in this. That's our goal. So yeah, we can't have tacos. We can't have hamburgers. So it's kind of like the challenge on here.
I'm gonna go crazy on watermelon because I love.
Me too. I already have $722, and I've only been working for 1 minute and 37 seconds.
No, I can't buy them.
Why?
I can't buy watermelon.
Oh yeah, I don't know why, but it wouldn't let me last time.
I literally can't buy it now.
Alright, whatever, just come home. We'll get watermelon next time we go grocery shopping. Yeah, I'll probably go shopping next week, guys. We'll probably rotate because we rotate on the schedules we work.
Well, we have to go shopping a lot. But there's times to do shopping on Friday now.
Yeah, there's like, we just moved into this town, so.
What do I do with this?
You just get rid of it. It already teleported to your fridge.
I drive it home to drop it off and come pick you up.
It already teleported to the fridge.
Oh. So I can just X out of it?
Yeah. It's really, it's just.
And then I bring it home. And I'm holding it back. Hey, I want to go home, Zoe.
Okay, can you come pick me up at, I come home at 10
Okay.
a.m. So just come and pick me up at 10. You can ride the bike around the town if you want. What?
I just got a text by this girl.
Is it that Dream girl? Her name's Dream Big Dreams 1239. She's really annoying.
Yeah.
She asked me to step on top of her car and then started driving away from me. Driving away with me. I just was like, okay, whatever, and I stepped on top of the car because I was bored because you were in build mode. Okay, guys, so we have 1 minute left, so leave a like down below and please subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell.
Like 4 parts to this video, so stay tuned for those. It might not be posted today because we're going to a wildlife refuge. I will be recording on my phone.
I'll record some on my phone, and then what she's gonna do is, if you send me the parts, I can put them together into one big video.
But my phone is a butthead, and it might not work.
Okay, we don't know. So see you guys next time. Bye!